In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate your Standard Chartered credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this process through the official Standard Chartered mobile banking app or through the Standard Chartered online banking feature. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to access it and activate your card. If you are doing this through the mobile app, open it up, log into your account, and then on the left-sided menu, choose Help and Services. In the Help and Services option, select Credit Card Activation and PIN Set, and you should see a list of all your eligible credit cards. Click on the credit card that you want to manage, and then enter the new PIN in the form that it's presented on screen. When you input the PIN and confirm it again, the card will be activated and the PIN will be set up successfully. If you want to do this through the online banking option, log into online banking, select Help and Services, and choose Credit Card Activation and PIN Set. When you choose Credit Card Activation and PIN Set, again, you have to select one of your eligible credit cards. Click on it and follow the same steps that you did on the mobile banking app, which is to enter a 6-pin digit and a 6-digit PIN and confirm the activation. Afterwards, your card will also be activated. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate a Standard Chartered credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.